these are the colors that I finding, but I'm still trying to decide between a pinker one, which is this one, or this one. This one may look cute. This is the color I end up getting. Y'all, color be so expensive. How much this color was? $14. They done went up because this used to be $3.99, and the Adore used to be $3.99 too. I don't know what they got going on. They be messing with us because they know we be getting color all the time. But I got this one. It really showed up brighter though, like at the store. You know, on the little weed, the little tester, whatever that thing called, the tester. And I got these two, so hopefully this looks good. And yes, okay, so I already went ahead and colored it because and then it's crunchy because I let it sit for like 2 hours. But I'm about to go ahead and rinse out the color, and I'm about to see how it looks. This is an old wig, by the way, as you can see, y'all. It's an old wig. Yeah, it's an older wig that I had, that I only wear for like 2 weeks when I took it out. This is actually really cute though. I like how it doesn't have that much pink in there because I didn't want that much pink. So I'm about to go ahead and just wash this, making sure it's very well washed. And yeah. This is the wig. I already blowed it out. I probably should have added some more pink. Like I can see it, but I don't think y'all can see it on the camera. Like it's right there. And then it's like some down here, but it's not really showing up on the camera like that. I don't know why, but I probably should have added some more. And if I didn't tell y'all, this is an old wig. It was blonde, and I'm going to go ahead and clean it up with alcohol right here. So I'm going to go ahead and install the wig. I'm confused what I be using, which one I be using, because I be using these 3.
Wait a minute.
I'm probably gonna use a medium brown. I think on the cap, you always gonna make it a little darker because it don't be showing up as much. This is still the old cap from the old video. So if you didn't watch that video, go watch that video. You just like, I think he did pretty good. That's just what it's giving. That's just what it's gonna give. Yeah, I still can't really see the pink though. It's really, it's up in there. You see it? You can't really see it on the camera. Maybe you can. Okay, I need to tint the lace because obviously it is too, it is too bright. So I'm gonna use probably medium brown and get this together. I'm gonna go with warm brown, and I'm about to do that. Yeah, I was so scared to do this wig. Like, I ain't did color, like some good color, bright color in so long. Y'all gotta get this. This is that matte finish. It works so much better. The other stuff you gotta wait till it dry. Babe, we ain't trying to wait till nothing dry, babe. We trying to put this wig right on. Like, come on now. So I'm gonna see, does this go? So I went ahead and sprayed the tint, and look, y'all. See, I mean, when I blend this part, it's gonna be period. I'm gonna get my comb, not my comb, my clothing iron. I'm gonna, make this more flatter. So, but it blended so good. So y'all need to get that for real. Don't use that spray because the spray be making it too wet. Like, I don't want a wet wig. I want to put it on right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Make sure I know where I'm placing it before I put it on. Make sure it's fitting on each side. Boom and boom. So it's fitting on each side. And we're gonna just take this wig back a little. I'm kind of used to it now, so I really just be knowing where to put my glue. Oh Lord, I'm on the wrong side. And I just, like I said, y'all gotta get this wooden stick. See how flat it makes it? And I'm gonna go ahead and do the middle first because it's so much easier for you to do the middle first and then work your way to the sides. Okay? You're trying to keep it on for like at least 3 weeks. You want to put like at least 3-4 layers. But thick layers though, not the type of layers that I'm doing. Like actually like, you know what I'm saying, real thick layers. So I'm not gonna talk no more. I'm gonna go ahead and just let y'all see me put this glue on. So it's dry, making sure. I'm gonna probably go back and fill in the parts that need to be filled in. And I'm also probably cut like these parts right here because they act like they're not gonna lay down. So I'm gonna have to cut that. I mean, once I put my scarf on, everything should be good. Everything should be good. I don't even think it need baby hairs, baby. I don't even really gotta do it, especially with this color. Honestly, just keeping it real. See, I done made the wig a side part. What is it, a side part? Baby, I don't want a side part wig. The parts that are showing, I'm gonna go back and redo them because they look like what the freak. So I'm definitely gonna go back and touch up the parts that you can see. But I'm just trying to make sure it's done and down first before I do that. So this one, y'all see how easy it is to just lay it down? Seriously. Seriously. I'm gonna get this right here. Okay, so it's parts that I can see that's still showing. I'm probably just gonna cut those off because I don't really care for them. Like, cut. And I'm gonna put my my wrap and let it, you know, melt down. Okay, I'm gonna do some right here. You don't even need it. I know, but I'm still doing it.
Purchase your tracks today.
Put some of this on, so that way it can be ready to move, okay? Then we're gonna go ahead and get this here. Y'all, this works so good, okay? Put this on there before I put the iron on, so that way it can make it flat. Don't put too much, because it's gonna make it greasy. And we don't want greasy hair. So I'm gonna put this on like this, let the thing sit, and y'all gonna see the before and after of the flatness, baby. Seriously. Look at that. Y'all can't even see for real, but me looking like, let me do the other side so y'all can see that it's more flat. See that? Okay, I'm gonna take this off real quick. Real quick. Do this again. So this is
the finished